Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. This video I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Realme X2 Pro device. So I've been using this device for quite some time, guys. So here is my review about the battery backup, how much screen on time you can get in the Realme X2 Pro if you are using 90Hz display. So let me show you the what model I'm using in this video. So as you can see, the variant which I'm using 8GB and 128GB variant. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, guys. Sai Tech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting reviews and comparison videos with a lot of other smartphones like Redmi K20 Pro, Honor 9X and the Realme X and other devices. So do check the links in description for the playlist of full videos of the Realme X2 Pro. So where I uploaded a lot of videos and doing a lot of different tests on the Realme X2 Pro. So you can find very good videos on the Realme X2 Pro, guys. So it is the screen on time which you can get in the X2 Pro is close to 6 to 7 hours of screen on time is definitely possible in the X2 Pro device. So throughout my usage from the beginning day, I started to use only with the 90Hz refresh rate. So even I did not decrease to the 60Hz. So definitely in the upcoming video on doing the battery backup, I will be doing with the 60Hz as well. So until now, overall in the 90Hz refresh rate is very good in the Realme X2 Pro, and even there is not a significant drain in the battery as well. That's very surprising for me. So as you can see, the screen on time is around 7 hours and 18 minutes right now. So throughout the usage, connected only to the Wi-Fi, not with the 4G data. So even I have played using only a few games, not much heavy games. So this with the moderate usage, not with the heavy usage. So even you can find the app usage time in the separate option as well. So you can find it here, app usage time. So here you can check what are the applications you have used and how much time you used. As you can see here, yesterday I used 2 hours and 25 minutes and right now 5 hours and 8 minutes. So this is the overall screen on time which I got today, guys. Combiningly total starting from 100% to right now the battery percentage is around 7%. So till now the screen on time is around 7 hours and 20 minutes. So overall the minimum of 6 hours of screen on time is very much possible in the Realme X2 Pro device. So even if you are using the 4G data continuously throughout the day as well, so still you'll get the minimum 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. There is no problem in that. So these with the heavy usage, guys, not with the standby included. So the standby, even the standby is very good in the X2 Pro device. So definitely I'll be doing another video on demonstrating how good is a standby mode in the X2 Pro device. So how much the battery will get drained if you are leaving the phone continuously for throughout the night. So even I'll be doing a video on that. So that is, guys, is a quick review on the battery backup if you're using 90Hz refresh rate in the X2 Pro device. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, guys. If you have any queries regarding this smartphone, you can comment below. See you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.